Okay, so now let's see how to install the Jamovi software. So you just have to go to Google and type Jamovi here. Once you type this, it will lead you to this page. You just click it here and you will find two versions here, Jamovi Cloud or Jamovi Desktop. So I will suggest you go ahead with the Jamovi Desktop version. So when you click it here, you will find two types, Jamovi Solid and Jamovi Current. So if you are involved in some high level statistics or difficult statistics, so I'll suggest you to go ahead with the current version. But if you want it to use for day-to-day basic data analysis, the solid version works well. So now since I have involved the Jamovi version, so I will not download it again. You just have to click here to download. Now you can search for Jamovi here. You can just search for Jamovi and you will find the app here. Now this is the basic interface for the app. So you can see that there is the variable tab here, data tab here, analysis tab here, and edit option also. So it is more or less like an Excel sheet. So in order to open the data set in Jamovi, we have to click here in the topmost left hand corner on the three rows. So once you click it here, you will see an option to open. So you can open the data set from here. Let's say I'm clicking it to open, then I'll go to browse and I have downloaded a dummy data set for Jamovi. So I'll click it here and the data set gets opened. Okay, so you can see as in this way the data set will be opened here. Now before proceeding ahead with the analysis, let's first go to the data tab and we can see what all variables we have in the data sheet. First, I'll double click on any of the variable and I will check the measure type. Now in measure type, there are four types of variables there exist in the Jamovi. So first is ID, then continuous, then ordinal, and then nominal. The continuous variable is in the form of a scale and ordinal is in the form of a order, and in the nominal we can see the three circles here. So here we can see ID they have wrongly labeled as a continuous variable. So I can change it here. I'll just have to click on the ID and you can see it has got changed here. Now again for age, we know that age is a continuous variable. But here it has been wrongly labeled as categorical variable or nominal variable. So I'll just change it here and I'll make it continuous. Okay. So likewise you can do for other variables as well. Sex is again a nominal variable and it has been labeled correctly, and in the same way you can do for all the variables. Here you can see what are variables we have got in the data set. Okay, so in the next video we'll see about how to compute, transform and apply filters in Jamovi. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.